Are you left brain or right brain? I'm sure you've heard that people are supposed to be one or the other, and there's some evidence that the hemispheres of the brain tend to be activated for different kinds of tasks. But of course the truth is that every memory task works better if both areas of the brain are involved. Your right brain for your creative side and left brain for reasoning and logic. Both sides combined help your brain and memory to work best. Try this exercise for practice. Quickly say aloud the colours of each block you can see, beginning with green, yellow, blue, and so on. Now say the colour of the words you can see. That wasn't quite so easy, was it? And you might want to practice it again a few times. It's great left-right brain practice. Your left brain is telling you what the word is. Your right brain is struggling to give you the information you need, the colour of the word. This has been brought to you by Dr. Lamont and Gillian Eady from the Brain and Memory Foundation. If you found this exercise helpful, please like our video. Subscribe to our channel, then you'll always receive notification about our new videos. And share this with your friends. We want everyone to be able to improve their memory. And leave us a message. We'd love to hear your memory stories or tips for other people to share.